talking about, wow, problems, wiring. Okay, they had flood here in 1967. There were some low-grade electrical contractors that did some of the repair after the flood. There were also people who couldn't afford the low-grade contractors. A friend of mine who has now passed away, his house has become an office and been refigured, and everything was torn down and redone. So the fact is, I think the whole building actually got torn down after that even. But after the flood of 67, I first saw the house in 79, and they had sheetrocked over the wiring and stuff, so it all looked okay upstairs. And a friend of mine said, this place is scary. No, nobody would wire it that bad. Literally, they had came off of where the fuse box was with zip cord. 16 gauge zip cord, the stuff that you pull apart that you use for speakers. Used to be real common for cheap lamps also. 16 gauge wire to all of the outlets and everything in the whole house. That was there in 79 yet in Fairbanks, and let's see, sometime in the early 80s, him and his wife went into a care facility, and then the house got gutted and redone. I think it's been torn down since then. I don't think the house is even there now. But that was the worst for, it was extension cord type wire being used for permanent installation. And you wouldn't know it upstairs though. There were regular outlet boxes that other stuff plugged into. It was when you saw where the walls dropped through underneath, and it was all zip cord going over to where the breaker box used to have breakers.
Used to?
Yes, used to have breakers. Oh yeah, it was bad. It was really bad. But at least it was only 100 amp service.